Hey paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for HipKit Club. It's Josephine here with another video on Product Focus Wednesday. And my product focus for today are the cardstock text die cuts from the HipKit Club October kit, and they have so many beautiful exclusive HipKit Club items. So I selected a few of them, such as the die cuts, the um, the chipboard stickers, bracelet and tags, um, the flower die cuts, and of course the cardstock die cuts that I want to use for this product focus. For this layout, I use some punches, some different punches from different brands, and here I use my Fiskars punch, scallop punch, and I thought it's a great idea to make some strokes from the different design papers from the October kit, and I punched the strokes on both sides. I like the way how it looks to use my punches on both sides of the paper strips. And I fold the paper strips, use some adhesive tape to hold them in place. And when I'm done with all the paper strips, I use my sewing machine and stitch with some gold sewing threads in the center of these paper strokes. The paper strips, I place them in the center of my white piece of cardstock and use some adhesive tape to hold them in place. And when I'm done and all the strokes are in place, then we go decorating the page further with all the beautiful embellishments from the HipKit Club exclusives from the October HipKit Club kit. My product focus for this Wednesday are the cardstock text die cuts from the pocket page kit, and I want to show you that you can use your pocket page kit for scrapbook layout as well. And I love these beautiful cardstock text die cuts exclusives from the HipKit Club, and I think it's a great. It looks very great on your pages or on your pocket pages, of course. Here I'm trying to give them a spot on the layout, and I'm a little bit busy how I want to use these texts, and of course the beautiful die cuts on this page. I like to to make clusters and layers from different items, just like the die cuts, the stickers, or wood veneer leaves, buttons. I use a lot of all these different embellishments on this layout, and I make a big cluster on the right side of my photo, on top of a round tag, and above my photo I use different tags and word strokes um, for decorating this autumn page. I choose some design paper and cut it to size, put stress the edges, and I put it behind the photo. And I love the extra layers behind the photo. Your photo really pops a little bit up of your page, and I place my photo on my page. I use some 3D foam, and if I use 3D foam, I can easily slide my clusters half on my photo, and I love the way to create layers with adhesive tape and 3D foam. Yeah, I distress the edges of the text, and with my sewing machine, I stitch some gold sewing threads through the center of some of these texts. Um, and I place them on top and made two clusters with die cuts, and make two clusters with the text, including some different die cuts, and place them on top of the um, design paper strokes, and use some 3D foam. It's time to I made some white splatters on my page. At the end, when all my die cuts are in place, I splash around with white acrylic paint that I mix with a little bit of water and make splashes on my page. I love the effect of the white splatters on my design papers, die cuts, and photo. And in the color kit from the October kits, there is a beautiful Nuvo spray, purple glitter Nuvo spray in it, and it is, I thought, lavender linen, and I love the beautiful purples glitter splatters on my layout as well. So I hope I give you some great ideas how to use your text on your layout from the Pocket Page Kit, and I wish you a lot of fun to try this also, or to use some pocket page elements on your scrapbook pages. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to check the Facebook group and the blog as well for more beautiful inspiration. And I hope to see you next time on YouTube. And for now, I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, friends. Bye bye.